Who's for the state?
What you have with the state?
Will this matter be before the single bench? Why?
Because now bail matters are taken by single.
No, provided the penalty is less than 7 years.
Actually, not in rest of the India it was single bench, but
No, no,
it was division bench.
very well. So now it will come before the single bench.
Case of appeal.
All right. So now it will be single bench. All right.
Page 9.
No, it was last rejected on 11th of August 25. What is the change of circumstances?
Change of circumstances, two change I am showing. Okay. One is everyday detention is being drawn for well. Another is total says the order. The order I have added from 16.4 I am showing.
Wait, no. 11th of August, last rejection by the High Court.
11th August. Total says since I have given certified copy 31st 10/25.
Yes, 35.
No witness present.
No, but then you did not move the bail application also. A bail application was filed on behalf of the accused. None moves on repeated occasions, rejected. 31st.
Then next date, no witness present.
3rd of November. Again, she is produced. And
No witness present.
no witness present.
Then Lordship,
10th of November. Files bails.
Prays for time as CD, no CD.
Yes.
Then Lordship,
17th of November, none moves on repeated occasions. What is the position and the status of the trial?
Lordship, 17 witness already. 11 witness examined, Lordship.
What 11? Last occasion it was mentioned 13 have been examined and now you say 11? I don't see much of a change. Please come. The
kindly see order second order dated 1st August 2020.
I will not go anything beyond 11th.
Time was given to conclude the
yes,
but it was not done.
Thereafter also 11th. Ashwin Dekhi, the petitioner prays for bail. Stop. It appears that the
custody for 6 years
prayer for bail was rejected by this court on 11th August 2025. Stop. It does not appear that there has been any change in circumstances for reconsidering the prayer of the petitioner for grant of bail.
11th order, 11th August.
Yes.
It is mentioned, Learned Advocate State submit that out of 17 witnesses, examined 13 witnesses has already been done. It is not proper because 11 only done. That the remaining witness will be examined on the next date of hearing. But from August till December,
nothing.
No witness examined. I mean, custody for 6 years, 2 months, and of women lot. Acquired are enjoying bail.
It has been stressed that despite the submission of the United States being recorded by the court on 11th August 2025, that the remaining witnesses will be examined on the next date of hearing. But in fact, none of the witnesses were produced for hearing, for examination. The on a perusal of the documents annexed to the writ petition and the bail petition, and always read bail petition and the seriousness of the offense which has been alleged herein, the court is not inclined to allow the prayer for bail. Stop. The prosecution is directed to proceed with the examination of the other witnesses and ensure that the witness examination is concluded at the earliest. No, it becomes difficult. Next. What is your name?
Vishnu Rai.
ওনার নামটা লিখে দেবেন।
This is the application for extension of interim order.
When is it expiring?
Well, it has already expired, my lords.
Already expired. When?
This is for reimposition, my lord.
When?
This extension has been going on since 2020.
On 10th December, my lords.
This is the 8th extension, I think.
Well,
The matter
affidavits
has
have
not
been
been
extended.
heard.
Hearing is not being taken. That is the problem.
Hello.
I have already filed my affidavit now. This is,
December 10, 2025.
Yes, my lords.
well, kindly direct, see, taking up hearing of the matter before that.
Yes, my lords.
What is the matter about?
Well, my matter is about a piece of land adjacent to a tea garden, which the petitioners claim that they have been possessing since long. It is a vested land. It belongs to a state government. No possession. They do not have any
Well,
possession.
as the intent,
They are stating that they are willing to construct a school for these tribal children there. But all those proposals which have been submitted by the petitioners have been rejected by the state government.
What is the challenge in the writ?
the interim order, my lords, was initially granted by the division bench of this honorable court, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, restraining the state, my lords, respondents from, my lords, encroaching upon the land of the petitioner. my lords.
And what are you doing over there? Are you utilizing the land for
Nothing,
any?
nothing.
It's vacant land.
It's vacant land.
What is the state intending to do anything over the
Yes,
land?
we
Or-
intend to construct this quarters for the forces, the reserve forces. We have already stated that in our application.
What is your right to the land?
My lords,
Not ready.
my submissions are restricted to, my lords, the extension of interim order. my lords. My
You
instruction-
cannot restrict your submission that way.
That's my instruction, my lords.
Your instruction will not do. You have to act in accordance with what the court requires. The matter is pending from 23.
My lords, read be placed for hearing, my lords, on the next circuit, my lords.
I'll hear it
affidavit-
immediately.
My lords, affidavit have been exchanged.
I will hear it immediately prior to extension.
Then, my lords, let me, my lords, intimate my senior, my lords. He'll be-
Why are you not ready? Show me what is your right to that land. Nothing. You don't have a copy of the writ petition, neither the opposition, nothing. Only with the extension of interim order, this much I will do. I will not move out of that. This is not the proper way to handle matters. What happens if the interim order is not extended?
Lords, they'll again, my lords, encroach upon the land, my lords.
Where is the encroachment? It's a vested land, it is being said.
No, my lords, may kindly seize the order, my lords.
No, not the order. I just want to know what is your right in the land. You do not know?
My lords, I'll-
Affidavit in opposition, I have filed, I think, way back in September 2020.
Yes, I can see that. And the application for extension was also filed beyond time.
Yes, my lords.
Then it has to be heard.
My lords, I have filed for my lords reimposition of the interim order.
Yes, so it has to be heard whether to reimpose or not to reimpose. How can it be done?
Then, my lords, may kindly grant my lords a short pass over. my lords.
Um, the petitioner prays for reimposition of the interim order, which stood expired on
10th December.
on and from 11th of December 2025. Stop. The application for reimposition of the interim order was filed on 19th of December 2025. Stop. Learned advocate representing the state respondents opposes the prayer for reimposition of interim order. Stop. It has been submitted that the matter is ready for hearing. The state intends to utilize the subject land for construction of barracks, or what you said? Construction of
Yes. For construction of barracks for the reserve force.
barracks for the reserve police force. Stop paragraph.
And the
Uh,
applications of the petitioners for long-term settlement has already been made.
And the applications filed by the petitioners seeking long-term settlement of the land
Has been turned down several.
stood rejected on several occasions. Stop paragraph. The court is of the opinion that the interim order which expired cannot be reimposed mechanically. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner is not ready for hearing of the matter. Stop. List the matter on 5th of January 2026. Stop.
Yes.
Next.
Great.
Occupied business statements.
Well, item 3, 4, 5, the main respondent in the School Service Commission, although matter is appearing under the heading extension of interim order, but it should have been under the heading to be mentioned because non-filing of the report. And interim order is there. I was under the impression the interim order for 4 weeks, but it appears it is for 8 weeks. Well, the direction was for filing the report within 2 weeks, but it was not done till today. Well, your lordship kindly direct Mr. Patro to submit the report and let it be placed before the principal bench because the 2016 matter.
Yes, is the report ready?
Yes. My lord, the report has not been affirmed, but in the meantime, my lord has passed one order in a similar matter where the court had directed the commission to allow the candidates who had not joined after counselling to be called for counselling after completion of the 1 to 4 2 candidates which the division bench had directed. But that order also I do not have in my hand right now that I can give the details.
Yes, so what is to be done?
Let it appear before the principal bench, before
We
in the
have
next
been
circuit
recommended
bench.
candidate.
Why
Yes.
before the principal bench? It is done from
2016
here.
your lordship is considering. I gathered that your lordship already forwarded before the principal bench 2-3 matters. Directed to appear in the principal bench.
Uh,
School Service
My
Commission
lord can
concerned
direct,
respondent.
dispose of directing the commission that after the counseling of 1 to
can you
4 2
please give
candidates
me
in
the
terms of the
case
division.
number so that it can be found out
Number
from
of
the
it.
server, the order date and the case number?
My lord, I'm giving. Kindly give
And
me
pass
1
it on
minute.
to Mr.
I'm
Bari
giving.
also.
Oh, madam, that is
Yes, I will
in
send it.
respect of the counseling, or it is in respect of the extension of the recommendation. Recommendation, they have taken the plea, the 90 days gone to show you are not entitled to be. We have prayed for extension of the recommendation.
Yes, in the similar matters, order has been passed.
Now, I
No,
was there before the division bench.
yes.
That is in respect of the counseling. That is in
No,
respect
no,
of.
not division bench. Division bench, they were absentee candidates. This is a candidate who was
Very well,
recommended. My lord
if
was
my
a
Can you
client
member.
pass
gets-
on the number?
I have submitted that the WPA number is 13229 of 2025.
देखो 13229 of 2025. 13229 of 2025.
13229 of
2025.
Mr. Bari, I am
Yes.
passing this matter over for the time being. Go through the order, right? After I complete my list, if you say that that order will be sufficient, it will be all right, then we can dispose of the matter by passing the same order.
Extremely grateful, madam.
All right,
Extremely,
go through
yes.
it. It is
My lord.
13229
My
of
lord.
2025 WPA.
Very well, madam. We are going through madam, thereafter, my lord, your lords.
Yes, pass over
Extremely
all
grateful.
three matters.
Extremely grateful. That one?
Item number 6.
ये करो।
6.
Lordship, I appeal for the petition. Yes.
Your other side,
State,
service,
done, madam.
Who's there for the state? What is the matter about?
Lordship, kindly takes annexure P1 at page 13.
Yes,
My lord, it is an FIR. My lord, kindly notes the time,
yes, 1340.
and 1340 hours the FIR was lost. Now, my lord, in connection with this FIR, Lordship will also kindly note the name of the accused. One Pooja Mahato.
Yes.
At 10:15 a.m., while petitioner, it is the time when Navaratri was being observed all over India.
Hmm.
And Lordship kindly appreciate the fact that the non-English speaking community in our country, they observe Navaratri with a very zeal and very strict pious regime. Now, Navaratri was being performed in petitioner's house at 10:15. Certain people in civil dress barged in. Who are you? We are police. What do you want? We are searching for Pooja Mahato. FIR against Pooja Mahato got registered at 1:40 p.m.
Hmm.
and 10:15 petitioner's house was
Morning.
morning.
Hmm.
My lord, I do admit that if police has an information of very heinous crime, that needs to be attended immediately,
Hmm.
police can. Now, what was the nature of the case?
No, then what is your prayer here? What is your prayer?
Prayer against the police
Yes.
for overt action?
What is the position of the criminal case?
The petitioner in the accused was granted bail on the very first day by the learned additional session judge.
Hmm.
No incriminating material was there, and such a police was such in hot haste to find her, and for 1 month she was not served with 41 notice. Lordship, it is only because I am forced to say that this Pooja Mahato and the petitioner belong to a particular religious sect, that is Vishwendu Parishad. Police is harassing them.
How is Pooja related with the complainant?
Nothing.
Hus-
Members of the same organization?
Same organization or anti-party?
No, same organization. Like, my lord, if one of the supporters of Mohan Bagan Athletic Club does something, so the president of Mohan Bagan Club will be arrested. This is the state where you live.
Are you ready with the report? You file your status report on the next day. Please come. The petitioner is aggrieved by the excess action of the police.
Lordship,
In
may I just indicate one thing? Just imagine the rudeness of the police force. In spite of being requested by folded hands that we are having puja, please take off your shoe. No, we can arrest you.
excess action of the police in registering FIR. Hmm. Without any valid reason or cause. The instant petition has been filed. Stop paragraph. Learned advocate representing the state is directed to file a report. No, not the advocate, the IC. Which police station? Cybercrime police station.
This case was
5.
cyber crime, but the house was raided by Matigara police.
Yes. Acha, the respondent numbers 3 and 5 are directed to file separate reports disclosing their stand. Yes, date taken by 9th January. List the matter in the month of February 2026. It will be open for the petitioner to file exception to the report prior to the adjourned date. The status of the investigation and the criminal proceeding shall be disclosed in the report. Next.
I am for the petitioner. I've shared the copy to the additional government leader and the postal summon is yet to be affected.
Next circuit. Service not complete. List in the next circuit. Service in the meantime. Give your appearance. If you stand there, then your appearance will not be recorded. Next circuit. Served.
Yes, sir.
Who is appearing?
There is a private response. I
Receive the track report.
track report.
Yes.
Delivered.
No, what is the grievance?
Events, my lord, I was driven out from my house. Now a shelter before another place. I am now entering into the house. I have made a complaint before the police.
House is whose house?
My lord, my house, my own house, petitioner house. What's happened, my lord? The petitioner took widow of one
Whoever. Then
lot and complaint was made and also paying for to enter into my house. The private respondent lock and key and driven out and lock and key.
how did the private respondent get the
Private-
lock and key?
Private respondent is the relative of the first wife.
Relative of the first
Yes.
wife. What
There
will
is a
the
dispute between
right? So what you want in the writ petition?
my lord, my lord, I made a complaint. Did not entering, my lord, into the my house. I is residing in a
Complaint before whom?
before Dinata police station and my lord SDO. My lord. SDO, not SDO. My lord. Sub divisional police officer Dinata.
SDPO.
Lordship, already FIR has been raised, Lordship.
FIR registered.
Kindly
This is
last
the
page,
report.
page 34.
I would like
Lord.
Please give. How will the police put you back in possession? Who knows whose property is this? What is the report?
Lordship, FIR has been already registered regarding the complaint of the
Yes,
petitioner, Lordship.
yes. Ashunto, the petitioner alleges inaction on the part of the police
My
in
house is
taking steps
Till now, my house is lock
in
and key.
response to the complaint lodged by her before the Dinhata police station. Stop. It has been alleged that the private respondent forcefully uh, drove away the petitioner
And
from her matrimonial house.
petitioner and his aged mother,
Achha, petitioner and
old age mother.
her aged mother from her matrimonial house and has put a padlock on the main entrance. Stop. The petitioner and her aged mother are compelled to reside elsewhere. Stop. Prayer has been made to direct the police to restore possession of the house to the petitioner. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the state respondents has
And
obtained
Lordship,
instruction
there
from
is a
the
civil dispute in our report, Lordship, already in paragraph 4 already. We, police has mentioned that both the party are claiming the ownership of
All right.
in respect of the said land, Lordship.
Inspector in charge, Dinhata Police Station, signed on 18th of December 2025, wherefrom it appears that an FIR has been registered by the police on receipt of the complaint of the petitioner, being FIR number 612/2025, dated 18th December 2025, PS Dinhata. Stop. The investigation of the said case is proceeding. Stop. The report, paragraph D, discloses that the petitioner and the private respondent asserts rival claim of ownership in respect of the subject property. Stop. The police. Acha. Who is enjoying the property now?
Now, my lord.
It
the
is
private
under lock
is
and key.
unlocked. Yes. Lock and key, my lord.
It
By
is
the
under
private,
lock
yes.
and key.
Well, kindly see page 34. my lord. There
You-
is a- Kindly see page 34.
Yes, what?
That is the my lord.
This is a Khatiyan lordship. Let him pay people the appropriate court because this is a totally civil dispute. As both the party claiming the property.
No, no, my lord.
Claiming the
And,
ownership.
My husband's property gifted to in favor of the petitioner during his lifetime.
আচ্ছা একটা লাইন একটু উপর দিকে লিখবেন তো the petitioner is a widow and she claims that the subject property was gifted by her husband gifted to her by her husband during his lifetime একদম প্রথম দিকে যেখানে বলেছিলাম যে ওকে বাড়ি থেকে বার করে দিয়েছে একদম গোড়ায় দিয়ে দেবে ঠিক আছে প্যারাগ্রাফ as it appears that the petitioner and the private respondent both claim ownership of the subject property, comma, it will not be proper for the writ court to issue any direction upon the police for handing over possession of the same to the petitioner. Stop paragraph. As the petitioner claims that she has all her belongings inside the said room, comma, accordingly, the police is directed to permit the petitioner to take back her essential belongings for the time being. Stop. It will be open for the petitioner to approach the competent forum, competent civil court for obtaining order for obtaining necessary order with regard to the subject property. Stop. The police shall strictly ensure that there is no breach of peace and tranquility at the time of removal of the personal belongings of the petitioner. Stop. The process of removal of the personal belongings shall be video recorded and preserved for future reference. Stop. The writ petition stands disposed of. Show the track report. You file it by way of an affidavit of service. ওটা ফেরত দিন ওটাকে affidavit by today you'll file it. ওটা দিয়ে দিন তো. None appears for the private respondent despite service. Leave granted to the advocate on record of the petitioner to file affidavit of service in the course of the day. If it is not filed, this order will be recalled.
My lord, I am on behalf of the petitioner. It's a case, my lord. My lord, first I filed the affidavit of service.
Yes.
This is the affidavit. My lord, this is a case of how the police misutilizes their power, my lord. My lord, the petitioner hearing happens to be a senior citizen. Her son married in the year 2021. Now, the husband, the son of the petitioner was suffering from bilateral hernia, which made him totally unfit for conjugal life. The wife wanted a divorce, my lord. He demanded a flat which belongs.
What is the immediate relief that you are seeking over here?
My lord, what has happened, my lord? This police officer, my lord, she happens to be the friend of this the daughter-in-law of the petitioner, my lord. She was talking over phone to the son of the petitioner. She had every knowledge. A false FIR was filed, my lord, and a case initiated under 307 attempt to murder, 312, my lord, miscarriage, and my lord, this woman, my lord, the senior citizen, when she had no role to play, my lord, she was arrested and was behind the bar for 19 days, my lord. Thereafter, she had come out, my lord, and she had to undergo a brain tumor operation, my lord. And my lord,
What is the relief that you are claiming?
My lord, I seek for a departmental inquiry against the officer, the IO, the investigating officer, my lord, because she was in constant contact with the husband or
All right.
the son of the petitioner.
All right.
My lord,
Do you have the
we lodged a complaint, my lord. And police did nothing, my lord. Against the investigating officer, we lodged a complaint. They said there is no procedural irregularity.
All right.
That is what they have done, my lord. I
Why
want
any
an
complaint?
independent investigation started against the investigating officer, my lord.
All right. The petitioner alleges excess action on the part of the investigating officer of Shiliguri Women PS case number 82 of 2022, dated 19th May 2022, semicolon GR case number 2274 of 2022, and Sessions case number 25 of 2023. Stop.
All the cases have been quashed, my lord,
All right.
against the petitioner, my lord.
Where is that report?
That is page, starts from page number 31. First they were discharged. Thereafter, my lord, the Honorable High Court quashed it, page number 34.
The aforesaid criminal proceeding drawn against the petitioner, proceedings drawn against the petitioner, stood quashed by this court on 14th of February 2025 in CRR 440 of 2024 in the matter of Radha Giwali and another. Stood quashed against the petitioner. Stop. Next. The petitioner seeks for an order for causing departmental proceeding against the investigating officer of the subject case. Stop. A report by the Commissioner of Police, Shiliguri Police Commissionerate, dated 21st of December 2025 has been filed before the court. Stop. Let an affidavit by the respondent number 3 be prepared and circulated apropos the allegations made in the writ petition by 16th of January 2026. Stop. It will be open for the petitioner to file exception to the same within a fortnight thereafter. Stop. Liberty to mention the matter for hearing immediately on completion of the aforesaid time period. Service is taken on record.
My lord, the report in the form of affidavit.
An affidavit, not a report, it's an affidavit.
In opposition.
Opposition type. You deal with all whatever is there
My,
because you have already filed a report.
my lord, kindly, because it's opposition, kindly grant us more time. My lord. If it is only report, my lord, in the form of
Report is already there.
in the form of affidavit,
No,
then
no,
it
no.
was easier.
No, no.
Kindly
no.
grant us some more time. My lord.
One more time, all right. 30th of January 2026. And
Because next 30
fortnight
is from
থাকবে. Yes, next.
deeply obliged.
Item number 10, I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner, your lordship. This is the affidavit of service. On the earlier occasion, SSC council appeared virtually and I have served him through email and WhatsApp, your lordship. I have annexed that as well.
What is your prayer?
For transfer from Alipurduar to Malda, your lordship, the petitioner's husband is posted there and she is residing at Alipur.
Or ground for transfer?
Distance and the husband's residence, the residence of the petitioner, Malda, your lordship. She is
Distance ground.
distance, yes, your lordship, and surplus teacher as well, your lordship. Kindly peruse.
No, I
Uh,
won't
and-
pay you. Tell me it's distance and surplus.
Yes, your lordship.
My lord, kindly turns to page 19, my lord. She has yet to file the application for transfer in prescribed format.
She is a secondary school teacher or what?
Yes, your
Secondary school.
Secondary school. Where is your application?
Page 19 onwards.
But this is not in the prescribed format. There is a format under which you are to apply. Please come. The petitioner seeks transfer. Stop. It appears that the petitioner is yet to file any application for transfer in the prescribed format. Stop. Next, in view of the above, the instant writ petition stands disposed of with the observation that it will be open for the petitioner to file application seeking transfer in the prescribed format. Step. If such an application is filed, the same shall be considered by the competent authority in accordance with law at the earliest. Disposed. Service is taken on record.
Great.
Lordship, kindly fix the matter in next circuit. I yet not received the instruction, Lordship.
My lord, since 2018, my vehicle has been impounded by the police. 2019, the learned trial court directs the return of the vehicle. I go there, I find that the.
Why in 2060,
No, I'll tell you.
25, end of 25?
I'll tell you, Lordship, my lord. I go there.
Don't tell. To allow the learned advocate representing the state respondents to obtain instruction in the matter. Release the same on 5th of January 26.
Affidavit of service, my lord.
Service is taken on record.
Number.
Lord, I have a petition of payments. The petitioner is praying for A category scale of payment from the last date of examination of DLED course.
You have similar orders passed by the court.
Yes, sir.
Please pass on.
Presentation will be considered.
Let me see.
By the
Pass
court.
on.
But in page number 30 in my report. My lord, but there is a difficulty. my lord.
There is?
All difficulties, my lord, in the service, my lord. State is the answering respondent.
No. It is the council who is the answering.
But my lord, other respondents are not served yet. My lord. Served but not effected yet, my lord.
If it is not done, service, Haini. Next circuit.
Effected.
Not complete.
State is
13, state is represented.
Wait.
13,
Item number 13, service is incomplete.
right. Next circuit.
liberty be given to mention this matter after completion of service?
Why will you not serve? Next circuit it will appear. You serve in the meantime.
What is the big deal for the petition?
Is the service complete?
Service is complete.
Yes, please.
Lordship,
So many respondents.
yes, my lord.
Private respondents.
Private.
You are appearing for all. 1 minute, 1 minute. From 4 to 11.
4 to 11.
And has Wakalatama been filed?
We file it.
We'll file it today. All right, yes.
There is.
Punjab, State Bank of India.
State Bank.
Not for 12.
No, 12 the State Bank. Who's for the State Bank?
My lord, Sir Abhishek Sarkar generally represents in the High Court.
Yes,
on
where
behalf
is
of the
he?
State Bank, but I don't.
What is your grievance?
Lordship, my grievance is I have made a complaint before the police station and the commissioner, whereas my complaint has not been.
Who is for the state?
Discloses,
Who is for the state in this matter? Yes, then?
which well discloses a cognizable. Yes, I have served state,
Yes,
which discloses cognizable offenses in which my specific allegation here in this complaint is, I am one of the director of the company. My signature has been forged while obtaining loan from the bank, the respondent number 12. And it is my specific allegation that with collusion of the respondent number 2, the manager who has sanctioned, these loans has been sanctioned. First, in the prima facie, my lord, if.
didn't the police take any steps in response
my
to
lord.
your complaint?
No, my lord. Police has not taken any steps. In the prima facie, in the first instance, they have taken out a loan of 8 crore.
All right.
Second,
Your complaint is dated page 40, Commissioner of
40,
Police.
my lord. Annex to P6.
You did not complain to the local police station?
I have complained to the local.
Where is
police
the complaint?
I might not have annexed it.
Then?
This is no complaint. 150.
He never complained, isn't it?
It was refused, my lord. I have tried to. It is.
Commissioner of Police Lordship, Siliguri is trying to contact with him. Several requests were made before him to meet with the police, but he never turned up. Lordship, this is the report.
Utterly frivolously, if my lord will hear me.
156 overlooked straight away to the High Court.
156 to the.
Please come. The petitioner alleges inaction on the part of the police in taking steps in response to the complaint lodged before the Shiliguri police station. Stop. On a perusal of the writ petition, it appears that the complaint allegedly filed by the petitioner before the Shiliguri police station is not annexed. Stop. A complaint before the Commissioner of Police, Shiliguri Police Commissionerate, however, is annexed to the writ petition. Dated 10th of December 2025. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the state respondents has obtained instruction from the Shiliguri police station, wherein it is clearly mentioned that the writ petitioner neither visited nor submitted any complaint before the Shiliguri police station. On receipt of a communication from the Commissioner of Police, Shiliguri Police Commissionerate, the police entrusted for causing, entrusted one sub-inspector of police to cause an inquiry and submit the report. Stop. The inquiry officer contacted the petitioner over a telephone, but the petitioner intimated the police that he was out of Siliguri and will meet the inquiry officer after returning to Shiliguri. Stop. The petitioner thereafter, returning to Shiliguri, the aforesaid fact was diarized in the Shiliguri police station, Vide GDE number 1064, dated 22nd December 2025. Stop. The complaint of the petitioner is still at the inquiry stage. Stop. Paragraph. The paragraph, as it appears that even though the petitioner did not make a formal complaint before the Shiliguri police station, but the complaint made before the Commissioner of Police, Shiliguri Police Commissionerate, is being inquired into by the police. Stop. The petitioner is directed to cooperate with the inquiry officer. Stop. The in the event any cognizable offense is detected, the necessary steps shall be taken by the police in accordance with law. It petition disposed. Next circuit. 16 next circuit. Petitioner. Or respondent number 4. Where is the petitioner? Why? Did you serve the state is a party? 14? No, it is 17. Union of India is a party. Union of India is a party. Did you serve? Who's appearing?
My lord, copy has not been served,
Copy has not been served.
in an opinion.
Yes, service not complete. The petitioner says it has not been served. Habit,
No, no, I have no copy.
accusation, habit to. Yeah, what is your prayer? Hmm.
Made an application for payment of gratuity, non-payment of gratuity before the competent authority. Competent authority passed an order against the contractor. Now, that was carried in appeal manner to the appellate authority, wherein on its own, the appellate authority asked the warrant upon the petitioner, who is the principal, according to the principal. Well, there is no provision under the payment of gratuity where a vicarious liability can be cast upon the principal employer.
Who is the respondent number 4? Private respondent? Madhav Das? You are representing 4? How is he responsible?
Employee. And the contractor is responsible for 5 months. Against whom the initial order was passed, under whom the employee got for 6 years.
You are for the bank.
Then, where the concerned responsible for what? Under the employment of responsible 5.
So what is to be done now? You are challenging the order of the Deputy Chief Labor Commissioner. So 17th of March 25. You've come quite delayed. Anyway, please come. The order dated 17th March 2025, passed by the Deputy Chief Labor Commissioner, within bracket Central, Kolkata, and the Appellate Authority, under the Payment of Gratuity Act, 1972, is impugned in the instant writ petition. Stuff. The none appears on behalf of the Union of India. Stuff. Affidavit of service filed in court is taken on record. The respondent number 4 is represented. Stuff. None appears for the respondent number 5 either. Yes, stop. List the matter on 5th January 2026. Let further notice be issued upon the non-appearing respondents. Yes. It was in March. Why did you come up in the last circuit? You waited for some time. Come in the next circuit, please. No, no. Without hearing, it cannot be stayed. Yes, please. Eighteen.
Please, my lady. Your ladyship, I beg to appear for the petitioner in 18.
Acta sentence adapt kuruntu. Learned advocate for the petitioner presses for stay of the impugned order. Stop. It has been submitted that the authority is proceeding with execution of the certificate that has been issued. Paragraph. The court is not inclined to pass any interim order in this matter without hearing the parties. Stop. The impugned order was passed in the month of March 2025, but the petitioner waited till December 2025 to challenge the same. Stop. Next. Prayer for interim order stands refused at this stage. Good ground for preferring appeal? Go. Next.
Please, my lady. I beg to appear.
Accept the prayer portion at page.
I beg.
Let me see whether the petitioner is there or not.
Yes, my lady, I beg to appear for the petitioner. This is,
Yes.
my lady, a petition for seeking review and recall of an order passed in an earlier writ petition. On the ground, my lords, that there was huge amount of suppression and my lords, a fraud is played upon the court. My lords,
And
if I
for that, a new writ petition is being filed. Why not in the earlier writ petition? Why not in appeal?
My lords, one, I was not a party in the earlier writ petition. I only got to know about this now. My lords, on your second question, my lords, we've looked at some law, my lords. There are judgments of this honorable court which says that the appropriate remedy is to file a second writ, which is, my lords, in the form of a review. My lords, my colleague
All right,
is.
then it will be hard. Nothing doing now.
No, my lords, there's some urgency, my lords, and in fact, this is an order passed by your ladyship.
Maybe.
My
But
lords, your
then,
lordship, there's some urgency. Your lordship may hear me just for 5 minutes.
where is the private service upon the private respondent?
Complete, my lords. The affidavit of service is there. In fact, somebody appeared for them on the last occasion. My lords, Friday this matter
Last
appeared.
occasion means it is appearing for the first time. You filed it only recently.
Yes, my lords, on Friday, my lords, because I was, my lords, not available, my lords. We asked for a short accommodation. On that date, private respondents appeared.
There is nothing on record. Who appeared for the private respondent?
My lords, we have an affidavit of service also.
I
my lords,
appeared on
prepared.
behalf of the state on the last day
Then
also.
nobody appeared for the private respondent.
Somebody on VC was there, my lords. I have an affidavit of service ready, my lords.
You should bring the learned counsel. At least somebody should be there. He had obtained an order and now you want recalling of that order on review and without, in the absence of the
No,
said party. It cannot be
Milos,
done.
I have served on them, Milos. I can bring an affidavit, Milos. That's ready, Milos. My colleague will hand over, Milos.
Yes,
Kindly
yes,
hear
it's
me
already there.
for 5 minutes, Milos. Your lordship will see what's happening, Milos. This is quite blatant, Milos, what has happened in this matter. Otherwise, we wouldn't have troubled you, your lordship, on this.
A mandamus appeal, seeking leave to appeal, since they were not a party.
And the
earlier.
order is dated 23rd of
Yes.
September 24.
Milos, I came to know only, Milos, earlier this year.
They ought to have
I,
filed a
Milos,
petition
applied for a
The
certified copy.
petitioner
Milos, your
raised
lordship
for
may.
recall and review of the order dated 23rd of September 2024.
passed in a separate.
Passed in WPA 1912 of 2024.
Your ladyship may hear me on that law point.
Matter of Mihir Roy versus the state of West Bengal and others. Stop. The private
ladyship-
respondent, Mihir Roy, is not represented in court today. Stop. The learned advocate representing the state respondents raises an issue with regard to the maintainability of the writ petition. Stop. Paragraph. The court is of the opinion that the matter is required to be heard. Stop. Let further notice be issued upon the non-appearing respondent. Stop. List on 5th of January 2026. Affidavit of service filed in court is taken on record. See, somebody appeared for the petitioner in the earlier writ petition. You could have contacted the learned advocate and brought him here. Shankarnath Mukherjee, Neeraj Gupta, and
My
Swarup
lady,
Das.
will my lady give a short
Nothing.
answer? There's 23 also, which is the similar matter. And my lady, the issue is that somebody appeared, therefore we were under the impression that today also someone will be there. My lady, I'm requesting, Milords, because we are
I
pushing
will
for an
call it serially. Please wait.
Date fuller.
19. Next circuit. Next circuit. No, no. Service incomplete. Yes. Second SLST.
But all the respondents are.
There. Yes. Yes. Right. On the 13th of December 2025. No, then thereafter the School Service Commission had opened a portal.
For uploading.
Yes, then what happened?
They were put damage, one for the 11th, 12th level, one for the 9th, 10th level. For 9th, 10th level, no, this judgment will not cover because the judgment specifically says that.
11, 12.
So 9th, 10th level, no, I'm still there, my scope is still there. In case of 11th, 12th, no, after the writ could have been filed up to year of December. Now in my case, because the vote was taken out, got the writ.
What can be done? This is the division bench's order. Who approached this court by way of filing writ petition or appeal or otherwise, authorities will be at liberty And thereafter, you could not apply in the portal even. So,
Because this order.
no, not in terms of the window that was opened.
Not in terms of the window that was open for 11.
Yes, so 9-10 claim still remains.
Yes, but there are only, in case of class 9 and 10, the authorities will obviously look into it because this division bench judgment does not cover.
Is anybody there for the West Bengal Central School Service Commission? Has service been affected?
Yes.
Who is the advocate?
Mr. Roy Melon, Sunit. No.
Neither Dr. Patro
Mr. Sunit Kumar.
nor Mr. Sunit Roy will be handling these matters. It is Mr. Rahul Singh who is appearing. Check up. Okay, all right. I'll make Passover. No, not today. Passover for the day. Order to fill it. Yes, next circuit, service not complete.
Lordship, next circuit.
Yes.
We represent BSF.
Give SSC, he says?
No, my lord, actually, if I may, it was a medical test for selecting candidates for the Central Armed Police Forces. So we took the medical test.
All right.
SS is the controlling body, but BSF took the medical test.
The SSC means the Central
Staff Service Commission.
Staff Selection Committee. All right, you did not serve. He is not willing. You give your appearance, it will be recorded. Petitioner is not willing. Next.
22, Your Lordship, I'm for the petitioner. This is my petitioner is
My lord, I'm appearing for the DPS.
primary school teacher, Your Lordship, and she's entitled to get A category scale pay, Your Lordship. I'm covered by Your Lordship decision in it is there in page number 38, Your Lordship. The examination was held and the mark sheet was obtained in January.
Where is your examination schedule, timetable of the
Your Lordship.
examination, date of the examination?
Date of the examination is there in page number 20.
27, my lord. 27.
27 is the last date of examination and
16th of March
16th of March
2019?
2019, Your Lordship.
19.
19. And it was also clarified by a notification. It is there in page number 32 and 33, Your Lordship, that the March 2019 was the last examination.
Page 22.
27.
20. No, what you showed?
Notification clarifying that the examination was held in the March 2000, page number 32 to 33.
32,
P12.
33. No, that's all right.
Yes.
Order at page 38 and 39 can be passed?
Yes, my lord, your lordship's order is there, my lord. Page 38 and 39, my lord.
So same order can be passed?
Yes, my lord.
All right. This is DPSC Kuch Bihar, isn't it?
Your Lordship.
Yes, my lord.
DPSC Kuch Bihar. Page 27. Session, what is your session? Session is
Your Lordship. Two 2017-19.
It is the same session. আসুন তো। Page 38, first paragraph set out. ঠিক আছে? Here there is only one petitioner, petitioners none. Acha, second paragraph. The petitioner completed her diploma in elementary education course from the National Institute of Open Schooling in the session 2017-2019. And the last date of her examination was 16th March 2019. ঠিক আছে? Second paragraph. Third paragraph set out. Rest is same with corrections. Page 39. Disposed.
I'm dead for
Service is
results.
taken on record.
Grateful to Lordship.
Please, Milords, I beg to appear, Milords, for the petitioner.
Same order as 18.
Milords, the impugned orders details will change, Milords, that's all.
What is the date of the order?
Milords, same date, 23/9/2024, the number is different. It's
Alright.
petition number
What is the case number? WPA number?
1911.
WPA number 1911. Yes.
Grateful, Milords.
Next, 24.
Item 24, conducting advocacy with and paying for next.
Next circuit. Next circuit.
I'm for the petitioner.
Next circuit.
Grateful.
Yes. Next circuit. Next circuit.
27 to 36.
My lord, item 26, my lord.
26.
Yes, my lord.
Who are you appearing for?
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord, before your lordship, my lord.
Service is not complete, it is said.
No, my lord, regarding service, my lord, as per instruction from my client, my lord, he attend to the Mal municipality for deliver the, my lord, writ application by hand, but they are refused. And thereafter, my lord, there have some, my lord, postal department, my lord, difficulties. We are not served, my lord, through
Very
post.
well. No, service
But
is
we
not
are, my
complete.
lord, served the, my lord, state respondent.
Yes. 26 to 36, you say.
27.
Or 27 to 36, all next circuit.
My lord, 26 next circuit, my lord.
Next circuit.
Much obliged.
37. 37. Mr. Sudip Ghosh Chaudhary.
He's supposed to appear.
What is the matter? Transfer. Yes.
Item number 37.
37.
My lord, item number 37, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
Item number 37, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. Sound কোথায়? My lord, this application, my lord, am I audible, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, am I audible, my lord? My lord?
I can hear you, Mr. Ghosh Chaudhary.
Yes, my lord, I'm here, my lord. My lord, 37, my lord, I made a transfer application on my lord, self-medical ground. It has been rejected by the commission without exercising rule 640. My lord, I am relying on decision. Your lordship kindly go through it and enter exercises there. It is a division bench order, my lord. They ought to, my lord, facilitate me if there is no vacancy in my selected school. They ought to facilitate me in nearby school where the vacancy is available. My lord, rule I have also annexed, rule 640 not exercised, my lord.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the School Service Commission in this matter, my lord.
Yes, please.
My lord, this is a rejection order of my lord 2022, 5th of March
Page.
2022.
Page.
Page, my lord, 32. WBCSBI, 5th of March 2022. Now in 2025, the petitioner is being challenging this order. Number two, my lord, whether
And
this application was made, my lord, in the medical ground or general ground, it is not ascertainable from this application. My lord, I have, my lord, proper instruction, my lord, whether this application has been made on medical ground or not.
please come.
My lord,
The petitioner is aggrieved by the order of rejection
I have stated in my
of
application.
her prayer for transfer on allegedly on medical ground. Stop. On a perusal of the um, perusal of page 32 annexed to the writ petition, it appears that the application made by the petitioner for general transfer was returned by the West Bengal Board of
Central School Service Commission.
Central School by the West Bengal
My lord,
Central
only
School
one
Service
interruption, my lord. My lord, only one interruption. My lord,
as the
SSC
preferred
rejected it.
school was not available. Stop. It appears that the said rejection took place way back in March 2022. Stop. Next. A long time has elapsed. In the meantime, stop. Paragraph. In view of the above, the instant writ petition stands disposed of with the observation that it will be open for the petitioner to apply afresh under the prescribed format seeking transfer. Step. In the event such an application is made, comma, the same shall be considered by the concerned authority in accordance with law. Disposed of.
Great.
Take this order
Great.
back. Service is taken on record.
Great. Deeply. And my lord, Happy New Year in advance.
My lord, my lord takes. Kindly check up the cost title, my lord. It is secondary education, and in the service letter it's primary. So which one?
Lordship, is my apology, Lordship.
Which one will be proper? Secondary or primary?
It's a secondary, Lordship.
It's a secondary matter.
You have served to the district family council.
No, Lordship.
Did you serve the state?
Lordship.
All right. Yes, next.
Lordship.
Transfer matter.
Transfer matter. Lordship is intra-district. Jalpaiguri to Jalpaiguri.
No, where did you make the application?
Make the application annexure P8, Lordship.
Page
45.
45.
45. Distance and medical ground, Lordship.
But then it has to come in a prescribed format. It cannot be done in this way. Where is the format?
Lordship.
Is anybody there?
my lord,
Mr. Roy?
yes, my lord. My lord, I have not received the copy of this writ petition, my lord, yet, my lord.
Yeah, Mr. Roy. It's secondary education, but then not in the prescribed format. Achha.
Then my
The
liberty may
petitioner-
be given to the petitioner.
The petitioner seeks transfer. Stop. On a perusal of the writ petition, it appears that page 45 is your application.
Yes, 45. Lordship.
Where is the date?
Lordship, in subject, Lordship,
Yes,
5/12/2025. 5/12/2025.
5/12. You filed the instant writ petition on 17/12.
17.
Right?
Lordship.
Why? You posted on 6th of December. Right? Within 10 days, you filed the writ petition. কি বললাম? That the application seeking transfer was addressed to the Commissioner of School Education by way of a letter dated 5th December 2025, and the said letter was put to post on 6th of December 2025. The letter received reached the addressee on 8th December 2025. Stop. The instant writ petition has been affirmed on 17th December 2025. Stop. Paragraph. It appears that the petitioner acted in hot haste in filing the instant writ petition. Stop. The application seeking transfer was not made in the prescribed format. Stop. The without granting, no, not granting, allowing the minimum time to the addressee to respond to the request made by the petitioner, comma, the instant writ petition has been filed. Step. Next, in view of the above, the court is not inclined to exercise jurisdiction in the instant writ petition. Stop. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed. Stop. Dismissal of the writ petition will, however, not stand in the way of the petitioner to file application seeking transfer in the prescribed format. Next.
Great.
Lordship, service has not been completed.
Next circuit.
Lordship, there are some other matters also.
Just wait.
For the petitioner. Lord, this is the affidavit of service.
Yes, what is your prayer?
Actually, there is the relates with customs department. You lawfully kindly
Who
take.
is your other side? Customs.
My lord,
Yes.
my lord, no copy has been served. I have not yet received any copy.
Service has been
Kindly,
completed.
Give a copy to him. None appears on behalf of the customs authority. Stop.
My lord, maybe tagged with 69, the same matter, the same issue.
Let a copy be served upon Mr. Ratan Bonik, learned advocate,
my lord.
who usually appears on behalf of the customs authority before the court. Stop. List on 5th. Service is taken on record. Next.
Grateful, your lord.
Grateful, my lord.
Next circuit.
Here is the appearing virtual.
Petitioner is there. Who is your other side? Where is the service?
Service has been completed. Oh, I'm not responding. So, I apologize. I put the response.
My lord, I am appearing for the respondent bank, my lord. Am I audible, my lord?
I can
Hello.
hear you. But
Absolutely.
where is the petitioner? The petitioner is not here. Are you sure you're for the
This item number.
Yes, yes, my lord. She is my junior, my lord. She is.
We are for the item number 42.
Who are you for?
44.
For?
40, item number 40.
And not 41?
Not 40.
Item 39, just now you sought on behalf of the petitioner. And it is the same petitioner, you are not appearing for him. The counsel is the same.
No, Lordship, item 40 or 41 also I'm paying for next circuit.
Next circuit.
Lordship, there are some other matters also.
Just wait, it will be called on one by one.
Item 42.
None
Item
for the
42.
petitioner.
I'm
None for the petitioner list in the next circuit. Which
my
respondent are
lord.
you representing?
Bank, my lord. It can be resolved. It can be resolved
The-
today itself, my lord.
The
The
bank
petition.
is represented.
Yes, my lord.
It can be disposed of here.
Yes, my lord. Actually,
In
what
the
they are
absence
asking.
of the petitioner.
No, my lord. I mean, just
Then-
I wanted to,
Nothing.
as your lordship.
What? Next circuit. Next circuit. Next circuit. 45, next circuit, 46, next circuit, 47, next circuit, 48, next circuit, 49, next circuit, 50 also next circuit. All right. 51. 51. None for the petitioner, list in the next circuit. Service in the meantime. 51, Dheeraj Lakhotia, is he the learned advocate?
Actually, he has some personal difficulty. He could not
Whatever.
appear.
Next. 52, next circuit.
Lordship, my senior appearing online.
Who is your other side?
My lord, I'm appearing for the DPSC Kuch Bihar,
What is the
52.
matter?
Transfer matter, Lordship, primary.
52. Where is the application? What is the stage?
My lord, the application was put on post on 9th December 2025, and it was, my lord, item delivered on 16th December 2025, and writ petition affirmed on, my lord,
17th.
it was delivered on 9th December, writ petition affirmed on 16th December, my lord.
Oh, Lordship, my senior appeared in.
Who is your
Page
senior?
21 onwards.
Maji, Lordship.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Maj, where is the senior counsel of the petitioner?
Lordship,
Item
Lordship, Lordship.
52.
I inform. Then Lordship, pass over, Lordship.
Pass over?
Pass over.
All right, pass over. And tell your senior how much cost will be put. He will think in mind. Whatever he says, I'll put the cost.
Lordship, I.
Tell him. Yes, next. Next circuit.
54, 54 and 5. I'm for the state. I'm for the.
Pass over?
Pass over, Lordship.
All right, pass over. 54, 55, pass over.
56.
56, I'm for the petitioner.
Yes.
My lord, in item number 56, I am appearing on behalf of the Siliguri Municipal Corporation, my lord.
Yes, please.
Well, I have two issues, my lord. One is, my lord, I have obtained a building sanction plan, my lord. I made an application for revision of that plan, my lord, in the year 2024, my lord. My plan building permit was valid till 2025, January. That application was pending till July 2024, wherein I was suggested to make certain amendments to the plan that I have made. But there was
First, there was one plan you sought for revision and again amendment.
They have suggested, the department have suggested that there is some amendments you have to incorporate, which I could not upload it online, manner, because there was no option to upload online to make any corrections, manner. So I have to make a fresh application in the month of August, manner. Thereafter, there was again a suggestions were made. On the basis of those suggestions, I have again applied for in the month of October. Now they have come up with a order which says that there shall be 25% building plan passing charge if the if the applications has been made within the validity period. If you also kindly come to page 52, madam.
Yes.
So my first application was within the validity of building plan. So instead of charging 25%, they have charged me full building plan. Once at the time of making application for building sanction plan, I've paid the full building fee. Now again for revision, I have to pay the full amount. That too, since I had to sell the flats, they were already sold. I have to complete the building. Under protest, I have deposited the amount. Now, if you also kindly comes.
You have deposited the amount?
Yes, under protest, madam.
All right. It is 4th of December 2025. So
yes.
It's a very recent order. When
Yes,
did you pay the money?
Application.
When did you pay the money?
Thereafter, madam.
The money was 12th of
What is
December.
your prayer for refund of the money?
Refund of the money, excess amount collected, and if you also kindly comes to page 56, the plan that has been revised, they have put the building validity permit as 5/1/2025.
So it is over.
It is over.
How can it be?
And the plan was revised on 12th December on 2025.
Corporation?
Yes, my lord. My lord, any modification or amendment of the existing building plan has to
Anyway,
be
this has
made
to be heard.
online.
No order can be passed now.
Well, only
Come.
I'm praying for, let me
My
continue with the on the basis of the revised sanction plan, continue with the construction work.
Oh, your construction is not complete.
How can I, because if I do, they will come with a penal action.
All right.
lord,
As regards the
My
refund,
lord.
the court will hear it later on. Now the petitioner
Duty of life.
intends to complete the building in accordance with the revision that you allowed in the plan. Now
My
the
lord, there is,
sanction plan, revised sanction plan, the validity is up till 5th of January 25. How can the petitioner complete it?
my lord, on receiving this writ application, my lord, I had personally intimated the office. This is, and what I have been instructed, my lord, may I submit before your ladyship, my lord?
Yes.
The instruction is, my lord, that the on any amendment or modification to the existing building plan has to be done online through a portal called the Online Building Plan Approval Portal, OBPAS
Mr.
portal.
Das, just
My
tell as to whether the petitioner can be permitted to continue with the construction relying on the revised plan.
My lord, only one accommodation which I am seeking is that, my lord, I have sought for instructions regarding this, what is coming out of your lordship, my lord. Instructions have been sought, my lord. We require certain time, my lord, because if I make an submission before your lordship, that will be on record. My lord, kindly fix the matter in the next circuit. The next circuit will start from 5th of June, my lord. My lord, by that particular point of time, my lord, instructions will be
Let my
received
lord.
by me, my lord.
Yeah, please.
কি বললাম কিছু বললাম কি কিছু বলিনি তো the petitioner is aggrieved by the act of the Shiliguri Municipal Corporation in imposing huge amount on account of
Building plan passing fee.
building
For
plan
revision of building plan.
for revision of the building plan passing fee. Passing fee. Stop. It has been submitted that the petitioner paid the amount claimed on protest. Stop. Prayer has been made for refund of the same. Paragraph. Further prayer of the petitioner is to direct the corporation to permit the petitioner to continue with the construction work for completion of the project in accordance with the revised building plan. Stop. It appears that the corporation approved alteration of the building plan on 12th December 2025, but the validity of the plan was only till 5th January 2025. 5th January 2025. Stop. The petitioner submits that as the alteration of the building plan was approved on 12th December 2025, the building permit validity could not have been up to 5th January 2025. Stop. The same ought to have been on a prospective date and not retrospective one. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the corporation seeks time to revert with instruction. Stop. Let written instruction be obtained. Released matter on 5th of January 2026.
In the meantime, my lord, let me carry on.
My lord, one.
That will not harm them, my lord. I have paid the 90 lakhs I have paid for revision, my lord.
আচ্ছা একটা লাইন অ্যাড আপ করুন তো It will be open for the corporation to intimate the petitioner as to whether the construction can be permitted in the meantime. You can
My lord,
intimate
one
the
more.
petitioner.
Kindly fix a time frame then, my lord.
My lord, that I will. My lord, one more indulgence before your ladyship, my lord. Well, this website is being controlled by the Department of Urban Development and Municipal Affairs, Government of West Bengal, my lord. My lord, let this department be made a party because there is no human interference in this procedure, my lord. So if any fault has been committed, it's the
It is
website.
granted to the advocate on record of the petitioner to implead UDMA as party respondent in the instant writ petition. UDMA and its officers as party respondents in the instant writ petition and serve a copy of the writ petition in the office of the government pleader, circuit bench at Jalpaiguri for obtaining necessary instruction.
Well, the intimation may be made
Quickly
within
applies,
7
my
days.
lord.
No, in the meantime, it is mentioned, so you have to wait. 57. Which item?
57, my lord. Land has been acquired, but till date no compensation has been paid, my lord.
Oh, item 8 এর এটা। ওকে দিয়ে দিন। 57.
Commissioners, the land has already been acquired for expansion of national highway, my lord, but the compensation has not yet been paid, my lord.
Where is your request
My lord.
seeking compensation?
52, my lord.
My lord, page
What is the position?
60, my lord.
What is the position?
We need to ascertain, my lord, because the period. which
Please come.
we are,
The petitioner seeks compensation on account of acquisition of land. Stop. The prayer of the petitioner is pending consideration before the district magistrate and what is CALA?
Competent authority, land acquisition.
Acha. District magistrate and the competent authority of land acquisition. Alipurduar. Stop paragraph. Without entering into the merit of the claim of the petitioners, the instant writ petition stands disposed of by directing the aforesaid respondent
My lord, we need to
to
file affidavit.
consider and dispose of the petitioner's prayer strictly in accordance with law at the earliest, but positively within a period of 12 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Stop. If any amount is found due and payable, the same shall be disbursed in favor of the petitioner immediately thereafter.
Grateful, lord.
Service is taken on record.
Item 58, I am for the petitioner. In the answer will respondent Jalpaiguri municipality, your lordship.
I am for the
My
private
prayer for
respondent number 4.
illegal constructions. I am a landlady.
Where is your complaint?
Lordship. Yes, already served.
Give a copy, additional copy to him.
Lordship.
Where is your complaint?
Lordship, my last complaint is
78?
78. But your lordship, fact is, I am a widow landlady.
Yes.
I am entered into a development agreement with the private respondents, your lordship. In 2019. In 2021, a building plan was sanctioned. Now subsequently, I leave the place, hand over the to the developer. Now they construct the building G+4. Now in recently,
And sanction was granted for how many?
21.
For how many floors? G+4?
G+4. That's not the problem.
Then?
Now then, when I re-enter in one flat, your lordship, then several complaints by the purchaser in the ground floor, illegal construction, they construct the flats and the shop room, but there was a parking place, open space and other.
All right.
So
Everything
I
is there in your complaint?
No, lordship. I have complained illegality, your lordship.
No, but then you did not pinpoint what is the illegality?
Yes, illegality, your lordship, in the ground floor, 79, I pinpoint, your lordship.
All right.
The construction.
Then what?
But your lordship, municipality is
Yes, very well.
I'm unable to spare, your lordship. Municipality make an inquiry and submit the report before the court, your lord.
Unauthorized construction, the Jalpaiguri municipality will consider pages 78 and 79. Yes, usual order is
Lordship,
there.
along with one, my lordship,
Well, I already have. the
within
plan.
a specific time bound.
Plan. They are
You
the
are for
person-
the private
I
respondent?
am for the private respondent. I
Alright.
have the revised building
একটা
plan.
paragraph add up করে দিন। ওকালতনামা filed? Please file it. Please file it. And learned advocate representing the private respondents opposes the allegation made by the petitioner. Stop. It has been submitted that construction has been made in accordance with the revised building plan sanctioned by the Jalpaiguri
Lordship, I have.
I'm appearing for the private respondent number 7, Lordship.
Wakalatnama?
File, Lordship.
All right, give your name.
Lordship, my submission is that I am one of the purchasers of the flat, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the open spaces as promised
Is
were
not there.
Is not there, Lordship.
Did you complain against the developer?
Lordship.
Why not?
There are several consumer applications.
Or
pending
ইয়ে
for
করে দিন তো,
Lordship.
learned advocate representing the private respondent number
Seven.
7. Who happens to be a purchaser of one of the flats of the subject structure complains that their are unauthorized construction in the subject premises.
Lordship,
All
one
right.
indulgence.
Name and appearance.
Lordship, one indulgence. In 2021, there was a big sanctioned building plan. Now, subsequently, developer says there is a revised plan, but there was no revised plan.
All right,
Kindly
the
consider-
municipality will
kindly
see.
Consider your Lordship. page
Municipality
75.
will see.
We have already
Next. Disposed.
Lordship, kindly record the building plan, your Lordship. Otherwise, there was a dispute. Whether the revised building plan in my knowledge or my signature or otherwise.
You have given power of attorney.
That does not mean-
Yes,
That
page
does not mean that-
59. Item 59.
Item 59,
Next
my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. I am for the petitioner, my lord. Kindly
My lord, I'm
state
appealing
you
for
come
the
to
DPSC Kuch Bihar, my lord.
state you come to my lord page 41. My application was rejected. This is my lord transfer application page 41. My application was rejected on the ground that
Yes. On the ground that
on that periphery that my disease was not. My lord, I am for the
yes.
my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Sarkar.
Yes, my lord. Lord, kindly please, my lord, the impugned order, my lord. Page 41 is the impugned order, my lord, whereby, my lord, my application seeking transfer was rejected on the ground, my lord, the disease which I have, my lord, indicated does not fall within the, my lord, the stipulated, my lord, my lord, the disease which has been, my lord, the prescribed in the rules, my lord,
Yes.
rule 3, rule 5 of sub rule
Yes,
3,
then
my lord.
what?
My lord, my lord, thereafter, my lord, I have undergone, my lord, the brain surgery, my lord, and twice, my lord. And my lord, I am, my lord, was appointed at 2018, my lord. Therefore, my lord, I am entitled to get transfer, my lord. And board, my lord, on the page 43, my lord, also granted, my lord, the transfer on medical ground, my lord, on the ground of autistic spectrum disorders, my lord, which is also not under the, my lord, the prescribed, my lord, the disease which is prescribed in the rules, my lord. That on that ground also, my lord, which does not attract the relevant rules, my lord, that on that ground also, my lord, the transfer was granted.
Recent order dated 1st December 2025 passed by the chairperson, District Primary School Council, Bihar, rejecting the petitioner's prayer for transfer on medical ground is impugned in the instant writ petition. Stop.
My lord, I'm appealing for the DPSC Kuch
DPSC
Bihar, my lord.
Kuchbihar is directed to file a report
Yes, my lord.
by way of an affidavit by 9th January 2026.
9th January 2026.
It will be open for the petitioner to file exception to the same. Released in the month of February. Acha, do one thing. Give some more time. 16th of January. Affidavit of service is taken on record. Next.
I appear for the writ petitioners, my lord, may I file the affidavit of service?
Yes.
Now, upon the West Bengal primary board, my lord, it was sent by email and by post. Post as per track report has not yet reached, but
Next circuit.
for the state.
Next circuit. আপনি একটু সুন্দর করে বলবেন যেগুলো ওই নেক্সট সার্কিট হচ্ছে না জাস্ট 3 লাইনস এটা আপনি লিখবেন ওইটুকু ও গুছিয়ে বানিয়ে ইতিহাস তৈরি করুন প্লিজ only 3 lines should be there in the order, not more.
Affidavit of service has been filed.
I'll keep it on record.
Yes,
keep it on record. Yes, service. না সার্ভিস হয়নি রেখে অন্যজনকে সার্ভিস করেছে অনেক পার্টি আছে $61 yes
I am on behalf of the petitioner. I am on behalf of the petitioner. This is a service matter. So this is against the order of the DRT Siliguri.
My lord, I am for the respondent bank, my lord.
To the respondent bank to settle the dues, but the bank did not listen to us. We repeatedly requested the bank, respondent bank, to kindly listen to us. We are very much ready to pay the dues, but the bank did not listen to us. But
is it a SARFAESI proceeding?
Yes, yes.
Yes, my
SARFAESI
lord.
proceeding.
Yes, ma'am.
What can be done over here?
Absolutely,
to stop
yes,
the
ma'am.
sale because we are very much ready to pay the dues.
You may be ready to pay, but there is a time within which the payment is to be made. That time has expired. Now the matter has
More-
gone before the tribunal. Tribunal has passed an order.
Yes, my lord.
Then if you are aggrieved, you have to go before the appellate authority. What will the writ court
Absolutely,
do over here?
But is the fees is very high, 10 lakhs.
Yes,
That's why.
that is not a reason to approach the writ court.
My lord, we have already paid the sanctioned amount. The 25 lakhs we have already paid.
It is better you do it in the next circuit.
My lord, I just wanted to, my lord, submit a little. The property is already sold, my lord, and they have challenged. They have
The petitioner challenges the act of the bank in
my lord. My lord, let me
selling
just submit
selling off
one
a secured
1 minute, my
asset.
lord.
My lord, not listening to the order of the DRT Siliguri. DRT
My lord,
Siliguri ordered for giving an
no, my lord.
opportunity.
This is a delusion, my lord. Their statutory application was
Now, the learned
dismissed, my
advocate for
lord.
the petitioners submit that the petitioners are willing to pay the amount that is due to the bank.
Yes,
Stop.
my lord.
Learned advocate representing the bank submits upon instruction that the secured asset has already been sold in public auction. Step next. The bank is directed to file a report by way of an affidavit disclosing all facts and figures by 9th January 2026. List the matter on 14th of January 2026. It will be open for the petitioner to file an exception to the same prior to the adjourned date.
My lord, I am challenging the maintainability of the petition first, my lord.
Acha. The issue of maintainability of the writ petition as raised by the learned advocate representing the bank is left open to be decided at the time of final hearing. Next.
My lord.
Sorry to interrupt the list, my lord, with regard to item 60, Mr. Ghosh appears, usually appears for the board. My lord, he has said if I give him a copy,
Give.
can your lordship take it up at the end of the list, my lord? There's little urgency is there, my lord.
But then if you give him a copy now, how will he go through it and then giving a copy is all right, but then he cannot make impromptu submission.
Because the
He,
panel might be published any day, my lord, so.
what can be done? This ought to have passed your mind prior to the matter being moved. So you could have brought Mr. Ghosh.
That escaped my mind.
Yes.
I'm sorry to interrupt, Mr.
But in 62, I'm for the petition.
Yes.
Lordship, 62, I'm appealing for the WBSD sale. I have not received the instruction.
No, let a report be filed by them, my lord. Concerns, my lord, reconnection of a
All right.
electricity connection.
To allow the learned advocate representing WBSEDCL to revert with written instruction. Stop, comma. Hearing of the writ petition stands adjourned till 13th January 2026. Stop. A report in the form of affidavit shall be prepared and circulated by 9th January 2026.
I'm deep grateful.
Next circuit. Which is the next circuit? 64, next circuit.
64.
64, my lord, I appear on the petitioner. It can be disposed of by your lordship's judgment. Your lordship kindly have a look, page 20. Page 20 first. Approval of the teacher in charge.
Where is GTA? Call your learned adversary.
Supriya,
Yes.
Supriya. Now your lordship kindly have a look, page 20. Your lordship got it?
Page?
20.
20, yes.
This is the approval as a teacher in charge mentioning the qualification MA B.Ed. Now your lordships kindly see the in terms of your lordship's judgment, my lord, a number of the cases have been considered, page 22.
Yes.
I kindly hand over your lordship's judgment to my lord.
Yes, sir.
This is the decision of the GTA who have got, my lord, the requisite qualifications for appointment of the teacher in charge. They have been directed to appear as a headmaster. So, my lord, I have fulfilled the qualifications. My approval was accorded as a teacher in charge. Now, my lord, I made an application that has not been taken into consideration and no approval has been given. My lord, page 24 is my applications. before the executive director, respond number 2. When they have considered a bunch of petitioners, they have given the approval in after your lordship saying your lordship's judgment.
This order, page
Yes.
22, was passed by the GTA in
Yes.
October 2024.
2024.
Why are you coming so late?
No, my lord, I made an applications before the authority, if your lordship kindly 2025, 9/3/2025, because my approval as a teacher in charge was pending. Although I was acting as a teacher in charge, but my approval was pending. Approval was given by the DI on 24th February 2025.
We need some
Lordship,
instruction.
because no,
Let us come with the instruction.
the one matter is still going on in revision bench, that 313 appointments and the.
No,
all
that is another. That is that not the teacher in charge
challenge.
case.
Hearing going on right now, Lordship. So till the disposal of that.
It cannot be done. All right, Ashwin. The
Madam, that
petition
is not relevant because that is now question of the teacher in
approval
charge.
as the permanent headmistress of a school. Stop. Reliance has been placed on the approval issued in favor of the petitioner as the teacher in charge. Vide communicating memo dated 20th February 2025. Stop. It has been submitted that the Gorkhaland Territorial Administration, by order dated 28th October 2024, approved the appointment of 27 headmistresses. Stop. Prayer has been made to treat the petitioner, to approve the petitioner in the post of headmistress. Stop. Paragraph.
Headmaster.
Reliance
Headmistress.
as a head. You are headmistress.
Yes, madam. The post of headmaster and headmistress that
As
the
a
GTA.
headmaster/headmistress.
All the appointment who are under challenge, Lordship.
The petitioner relies on the order passed by the court on 27th February 2020 in WPA 425 of 2020. Manish Tamang and others versus Deganevan. Learned advocate representing the Gorkhaland Territorial Administration seeks time to revert to the. It has been submitted that the issue in question is pending consideration before the Honorable Division Bench.
My lord, absolutely not connected with this petition. You'll also kindly record my submission.
The
Not connected with this matter.
hearing of the writ petition stands adjourned. Stop. GTA is directed to file an affidavit by within a period of 4 weeks, reply if any within a fortnight thereafter.
My lord, let him file a report. It is not connected with that matter.
Hearing.
I don't.
Not hearing. It is not connected. That is the appointment of the teachers.
Next. 65.
I am for the picture. Yesterday this matter was taken up, Lordship. That is the compensation was paid after a delay of 5 years. For that reason, I am praying for
Interest on account of delayed payment of compensation. Yes, please. Leave it to your lordship means?
But kindly consider that an application for recalling is pending.
The recalling doesn't have any.
Petitioner is 84 years old.
The petitioner is an 84-year-old senior citizen. Stop. He seeks interest on account of delayed payment of the compensation paid to him on account of acquisition of his plot of land. Stop. The award in question was passed in the year 2019 and compensation paid to the petitioner in the year 2025, that too upon intervention of this court. Stop. The petitioner prays for awarding interest on account of such delay in making payment. Stop. Paragraph.
The requiring body is not added as a part.
The learned advocate representing the state respondents, being the acquiring body, submits that the requiring body has not been made a party in the instant writ petition. Stop. The requiring body will be the presence of the requiring body will be required for ascertaining the amount of interest to be paid to the petitioner. Stop paragraph. Where is your representation? Did you make any representation seeking interest?
Page 17.
Acha. It appears that a legal representation has been filed by the petitioner before the collector seeking interest. Stop paragraph. The district magistrate, Jalpaiguri, is directed to consider the said representation in accordance with law after giving reasonable opportunity of hearing to the petitioner or his authorized representative and the requiring body, and take a decision in the matter. Stop. The primary contention to be kept in mind at the time of consideration of the representation is that the award which was declared in the year 2019 ought to have been disbursed in favor of the awardees without any delay. Stop. The authority, for the reasons best known, delayed in disbursing the awarded amount for more than 6 years. A decision shall be taken by the DM at the earliest, but positively within a period of 8 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Step. The compensation, if allowed, shall be disbursed in favor of the petitioner without any further delay. The interest on account of delayed payment. Don't bargain. As it is,
4 years old, any day he can.
as it is, an appeal is going to be carried. Right? So, don't rush.
If he has to pass a reason order, mother, the observation made here in will affect.
Will certainly affect, and that is exactly the reason why the observation is there. Do you get it? 66.
And for the petitioner, Your Lordship, in this matter, this is a GST registration cancellation matter. My registration was cancelled on the ground that I could not file my 6 months returns.
Who is appearing for the GST authority?
My lord,
Agarwal appears,
my
Your
lord.
Lordship. I've already served him.
my lord, kindly allow me 1 day accommodation. Tomorrow,
Lordship, I've already served Mr.
just
Dilip Kumar Agarwal in this
just
matter.
yesterday, I have been interested.
He has been
I have
interested
to
in
take
sales.
instruction. Just 1 day accommodation, my lord.
Tomorrow.
Grateful.
Tomorrow. Grateful, my lord.
67, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, kindly sees my lord last direction, my lord. My lord was pleased to direct the commission to check the suitability whether the vacancy which was, my lord, the made available pursuant to the notification of the communication of the DI, my lord, page 69, my lord, whether the verify and that petitioner may be posted on transfer in the said post in the in the said vacancy, my lord.
Page number?
My lord, page 60, page 69, my lord.
All right. Yes, Dr. Patro.
Yes, my lord. I have
Please.
taken instruction because on the last occasion it fell from the court to take instruction whether the petitioner can be sent to the school where the DI has given. My lord, am I audible?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. Yes. So I've had a discussion with the chairman. Now the position is this, as was stated in the recent order also, that his rank is 9. He has applied on distance ground. His original application for medical ground was rejected. He accepted the same and then reapplied for distance ground. Now, as per our applications which we have against that particular school which the DI has mentioned, there are 8 candidates above the petitioner, out of which 4 have self-medical ground. So their turn should come first before the vacancy can be given to anyone else. Moreover, the observation of the DI that is also not as per the rules.
Ignored the
He
observation.
can
The
only
court
send
was
the
just,
candidate.
yes, the court was just considering, since there is a vacancy, whether the petitioner can be posted. But then if there are candidates who are to be
Above, yes.
considered on priority basis, then they will be given priority. It goes without
Yes,
saying,
yes.
right? So can
Yes.
the petitioner's application be considered for some other post or something, some other vacancy?
No, the vacancies which he has opted for, he's allowed to opt to up to 3 vacancies.
All right. So please come.
Those vacancies, all 3 we have dealt with.
All right.
My lord, kindly sees, my lord, the earlier direction of this honorable court, where, my lord, the honorable court had directed to take into consideration the vacancy which was declared by the DI, my lord. Now they have stated, my lord, the DI has no authority to, my lord, assign any vacancy in favor of the applicant, my lord.
From the
My lord,
submission made on behalf of the commission, it appears that the vacancy which was identified by the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education Shiliguri, is um, 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 না কি বললাম vacancy
my lord, may I submit one thing, my lord? My
there
lord,
are
my lord,
comma দিয়ে
my lord, may
there
I
are
submit, my lord?
several other candidates who seeks transfer on medical ground. Stuff. The transfer on medical ground has to be given priority. Stop. The rank of the petitioner in such in the said school is 9. Stop. Paragraph. The 3 vacancies opted by the petitioner was considered, and the no, 3 vacancies, no, the 3 choices given by the petitioner was considered, and no vacancy could be found in any of the schools. Stop. Paragraph. The instant writ petition stands disposed of with the observation that it will be open for the petitioner to apply afresh seeking transfer. Stop. If a matching vacancy is available, comma, the commission shall consider the same in accordance with law for transferring the petitioner. Writ petition stands disposed of.
Deeply obliged.
It's my petition, right? They were supposed to take instruction, so from that
They means
the state,
all right,
that whether vacancy is available or not. I have shown to you losses pursuant to direction of the tribunal. They are supposed to transfer me in a
yes,
suitable
CMO in
place.
Jalpaiguri. Then what is to be done?
Petitioner, for 1 year, he has been transferred from North Bengal Medical College to Korondi, that is West Dinas. But still date, 1 year has passed, he has not joined there. Did you join? And then let the matter come in the next circuit. Kindly turns to page 53 once, This is
Page
something deliberate.
53 was shown yesterday, and the council was. Why can I not take instruction as to who is there if Bhaskar Dey is transferred?
In fact, I have communicated to the CMO Jalpaiguri the order of.
Doesn't matter. He is the council. He has communicated, holding a responsible post.
Yes.
Then the CMO Jalpaiguri ought to know as to whether somebody is there or not. Whether Bhaskar Dey, you can contact the CMOH Shiliguri also, Jalpaiguri also.
Shiliguri has that idea. And the thing is that it takes 1 or 2 days more time. Now, this can be done over telephone, guys. The matter is taken the first day of the. Kindly take some 53. I will show 2 things. This 53 was issued after the order of tribunal was passed. Therefore, even if they transferred somebody from Jalpaiguri to Shiliguri, my transfer should have been considered here also. This memo has in fact issued in derogation of the order of the tribunal. This should be set aside, and I should be transferred to a post at least in Shiliguri. This is something deliberate. Somebody who can give instruction over telephone is not withholding.
Where is the CMO in Jalpaiguri? Somebody must be there in charge. Tell him to join online. Tell him to join. I'm passing it over. Immediately.
Can it tomorrow, madam?
Why tomorrow?
I'll bring the instructor.
Let him join online. Where is the harm?
But today, tomorrow I will not be here, madam.
No, you not being there, you can always be online. There is no difficulty. But
Tomorrow.
thing is,
Tomorrow, I'm taking the responsibility.
but you took the responsibility last week also, yesterday also. True, that is the reason. I want the candidate to be here, the officer.
Tomorrow,
You tell him to join. Let us see what happens. It is all right. You tell him to join. Whoever is there, CMOH or in charge, whoever, let him join. I'll see what is to be done. Yes.
Madam, this is the matter relates with Customs Department.
Where is the authority?
Mr. Bonik was appeared on the last occasion and he took some adjournment. And so far the case is concerned, my lord, I think Mr. Bonik appeared through virtual mode.
Yes, Mr. Boni, Karikanat.
My lord, it is kindly. It is also fixed tomorrow, my lord. I'll appear physically and after
I
getting
can
the
hear you virtually, no difficulty. Did you take instruction?
My lord, kindly pass it over for half an hour, my lord. In that case, I will make my submission half an hour, my lord.
Mr. Bonik,
I'll appear physically.
It is written over here, sir. I can see it is there. What can be done? Ajay, let it be passed over. Let me see if I can
My lord.
wait till half an hour. I
I
don't
shall
know
appear
whether the
physically. I
bench
shall
will be
appear
there till
today
half an
itself.
hour.
Lord, I'm on behalf of the petitioner. My Lord, the matter was taken up on 17th with the direction upon the state to file the report.
My lord, comprehensive report, my lord, I have brought it, my lord, my and a junior.
Yes. What is the issue?
My Lord,
Provide information about the missing goods and the missing employees.
my Lord, we are alleging connivance of the police authorities with the prime accused.
All right.
Now, if my lord,
One minute. What does the report say?
My lord, this question of my lord the affair
Hmm.
at page my lord affair of 19, page 19. Sorry, my lord.
Yes.
Page 19 that the my lord the criminal misappropriation of the steel plates. Affair has been lost. Accused has been arrested.
All right.
Right, my lord.
And
My lord,
any
coming.
Caesar made?
Caesar was also made. My lord, now next page 22.
Yes.
That is the my lord kindly mark that affair of page 19 is 16th November. And the next affair at page 22 is my lord 18/11/2025. That spells off that two persons are missing, kidnapped by the my lord the accused in the first case. My lord, during the interrogation and investigation, these two accused, two persons, as allegedly said, kidnapped, they are the accused in the 16 affair, my lord. So, my lord, this is the ploy of the my lord, the complainant, so that, and my lord, they said, my lord, in the
to take them out. This
Yes.
is the ploy.
And
let them file a report. All right. Acha, a report forwarded by the Commissioner of Police. Siliguri Police Commissionerate. Annexing copy of the report of the Inspector in Charge, Bhaktinagar Police Station. Signed on 22nd of December 2025. আচ্ছা শিলিগুড়ি পুলিশ কমিশনারের ডেট হচ্ছে 23rd আর ভক্তিনগর হচ্ছে 22nd. In court today is taken on record. Stop. Let an affidavit by the Inspector in Charge, Bhaktinagar Police Station be prepared and circulated, disclosing all facts and figures by 13th of January 2026.
Well, in terms of the report, can we proceed?
Who is stopping you?
Well,
Nobody is standing in
yes.
the way. Place the matter on 15th of January
let the copy of
2026.
the report be served upon us, my lord.
By way of an affidavit.
This is the privileged communication.
By way of an affidavit,
I
they'll
do not know what is going on in the
exactly.
Lordship, in this matter, learned advocate general will appear, Lordship.
Yes,
He-
please.
appear
Today,
matter.
they had
My lord,
mentioned.
I
in
appeal, my
division
lord,
bench,
for the
they
respondent.
used to upgrade their matter plan.
I can hear you, AG sir.
My lord, I think my lord, your lordship has been informed yesterday that my lord, an appeal has been preferred, my lord, from the order dated 17th of December. My lord's order of 17th of December, my lord, it's appearing, my lord, in the list of the Honorable Division Bench. It's appearing as item number 14. 6 to 8 is going on, my lord. If your lordship keeps it, my lord, either tomorrow or after vacation, my lord, whatever your lordship feels
I can
would be
post it
appropriate.
even thereafter. But in the meantime, let there be stay of operation of the impugned order.
My lord, this is a case, my lord, where, my lord, they have admitted their all the allegations.
Yes, yes.
My lord, number one
The
is they have admitted all the allegations. Second is, my lord, the hearing was given to them. Show cause was given to them. The order is an appealable order, my lord. Therefore, my lord, we are contending that, my lord, this writ petition, I mean, the petitioner should be relegated before the appellate body.
yes,
That is what,
true.
my lord.
Page
Yes.
44, will you please come?
Yes, my lord.
This
Kindly
is
have a look.
impugned.
Yes, my lord.
The bold portion at the bottom of the page.
Page 43, my lord, is the impugned order.
It starts at 43 and page 44, the bold portion.
Yes, my lord.
Hence in terms.
Suspended. Yes.
Yes. Suspended for a period of 90 days from the date of receipt of the order.
Yes, my lord.
This
But
90
your
days.
lordship will consider this.
No, you
Well,
can
may I say
impose
this?
this punishment after a fortnight also. It is only for this reason, nothing more. You impose
My
this
lord, there.
punishment.
No, but my lord, if I have a right to punish, my lord, and if I have punished today, my lord, please consider, my lord, whether it can be deferred or not. Either I have done it wrongly or
This the
rightly.
court has to decide. Whoever, whether it is this forum, whether it is the appellate forum, whoever is the forum has to decide.
Therefore, my lord, kindly, my lord, allow, my lord, the.
Why don't you put them to condition?
My
Put
lord,
them
may I
to
say
some
this? My
type
lord,
of condition.
kindly allow the appeal court to, my lord, have a say over the matter, my lord. If any further order is passed today, my lord, my appeal will become infructuous. Please consider
Yes.
this.
But that was exactly the reason why an appeal has been filed from an order where there is no interim order passed.
No, my lord,
Nothing
dear
of
lordship.
this sort.
My lord, dear lordship would kindly, my lord, have a look to the order, my lord. It's not the, because otherwise, my lord, kindly have a look to the order, my lord. Though, my lord, I am not addressing the appeal court now, but at the same time, please consider, my lord, paragraph 13 of my lord's previous order. Curable in the meantime, the curable defect shall be rectified. Well, if the petitioner accepts that there has been wrong accounts, if the petitioner accepts that he has stored goods outside the licensed premises, if the petitioner accepts that there has been a shortage and excess of goods, if the petitioner accepts that there has been alteration in the premises where, my lord, things were stored, then my respectful submission would be these cannot be cured. But if I have built a house contrary to the sanction plan, as an example, hypothetical case where I'm saying, it cannot be cured. If he has not maintained his accounts properly, this cannot be cured because this is under some other statute. Now, my learned friend's client have not said before your lordships that either the rule is not applicable. They have not said that I don't have the power. They have not said that principles of natural justice has not been adhered to. In that case, where the only option available is to go for revision, first appeal and then revision, where there are two forums available to them. Now they skip over them. Your lordships have held, what are the exceptions? In spite of there being a provision for appeal, lordships can entertain the petition. I don't say that it can't be. But your lordships at the same time has carved out the exceptions. That what are the exceptions? But in my very respectful submission, there is no, the exceptions are not attracted because all have been
We have
complied with.
time prior to the recess for the division bench to take up the matter.
I think.
But may I say this, though based on assumption,
But I will go
the
on.
matter which is
The
presently
matter
going
is
on,
going on. Will go on.
yes, in that case also Mr. Ahmed is there, but it's likely to go on for quite some time. Well, my turn also have not yet come. Mr. Ahmed's turn has also not come. Then can you keep it tomorrow, or
What
I
is
would
the
request.
use? It's merely delaying. Tomorrow also, whether it will be hard or not, nobody knows.
But for the time being, kindly protect me. So far, Mr. Dr. Submission, kindly take some supplementary affidavit, paragraph 3. Reconciliation was done even prior to sealing my go down.
No, he cannot file supplementary affidavit
In
immediately after
presence
the
of their
petition.
officer, and they have endorsed on the reconciliation. Therefore, whatever defect was there, that has been cured before the sealing of the go down.
Well, I do not know what is the
Paragraph
submission.
3.
How can he cure the accounts
Because
defect?
that is the mandate
What
of
is
the
he
statute,
submitting?
and the officers ensured that this is cured.
Where is the
I don't know what
assurance?
document my learned friend is
paragraph 3 of my
showing
supplementary.
to the court. I don't know what is being shown to the court.
Paragraph
Let
3,
him share a copy of
I have
that.
served.
No, but then is there any documentary evidence? It is only your averment.
Well, documents is lying in the go down which is sealed by them. And in that document, the stock, their officer has signed. Their officer has endorsed.
And they found that there were defects and
After the
irregularities.
defect was revealed, since some staffs were not there, there was irregularities in the stock. Now, it was revealed, inquiry report was handed over to us, and thereafter, officers came, it was reconciled, they endorsed, and thereafter it was sealed on 8th.
That is not correct.
Well, I don't think what is
I have
being
made this on
submitted.
affidavit. I have made the statement on affidavit. Let them go and unseal my go down and verify it. I have written letter to them. I have annexed. Open the padlock, open the seal, and re-verify. I have mentioned the word re-verify.
How can he say so when he admits his
have a
guilt?
copy of anything?
No, that is not
lying in
correct.
the go down bed.
That is not correct. Yesterday the submission was made, and my lord, the advocate general was not.
Yes, second is
Who is making submission? I cannot follow.
The advocate general.
The appeal has not been taken up. My lord refused to pass an interim order.
How can Mr. Bhattacharya make this submission?
Is
We have
necessary for the
preferred an appeal.
purpose.
If the appeal court is unable to take up the matter, is it a justified submission that the appeal court has not taken up? Therefore, the single bench should proceed with the matter.
Learned advocate general, kindly excuse me. Please allow me to make submission. Milord, the appeal court has neither passed any order nor state the proceedings.
It has not been taken up.
That's
Why is Mr. Bhattacharya misleading the court?
Not being taken
item
up,
number
yes.
14
I'll tell you
cannot be
one
taken
thing.
up before
The
item
fact
number
that you
6.
stated now regarding sealing the go down and everything. Do you have separate go downs also?
No, only one go down I have.
Only one go down,
Yes.
which has been sealed.
Which has been sealed.
And upon sealing the documents which were over there, inventory report type, nothing is on record. You do not have a copy.
No. They didn't.
They didn't give a copy. It is sealed on 8th of December 2025.
Yes.
And the impugned order was passed on 4th of December 2025. So after this order is passed, the authorities go
Went
to
there.
seal it.
And for that, they ensured reconciliation of blood so that the stocks are reconciled and put it in order.
Milord, this is absolutely incorrect, Milord.
Very well,
Your
let us
Lordship
see.
will take it from me.
Please come.
Milord,
On a
may I say this,
perusal
Milord?
of the supplementary report, not report, supplementary affidavit.
Is maintained or not?
It appears that.
Milord, your Lordship has not heard me, Milord, on this.
Sir, I'll hear
Kindly-
you.
kindly
Don't
hear-
worry. I'll hear you.
But I believe your
It
Lordship
has
is passing an
been
order.
submitted. What did I say? It appears that the go down of the petitioner was sealed by the authority on 8th December 2025. Stop. The order impugned is dated 2nd/4th December 2025. Stop. Let the copy of the inventory made at the time of sealing of the godown be placed before this court tomorrow.
Biplab, yes.
Milord, your lordship will kindly not, Milord, pass this order, Milord. Your lordship has not heard me, Milord.
You have sealed it. Bring the inventory
No,
report.
no, no, no. Milord, your lordship has not heard me. Milord, I
You will
requested
not
your lordship
produce
to
the
hear me
inventory
before passing
report.
the order.
AG,
Milord, your
what
lordship is
this?
making my appeal infructuous.
It is you who have went there to seal the godown
Milord,
and
your
you will
lordship
not
has
file the
heard me.
inventory report.
My
What is there
kindly,
to hear you? For the
please hear
inventory
me.
report.
Milord, there are two parties before your lordship, not only the petitioner. There is a respondent also before your lordship.
Certainly. And the
But you have not
respondent is
heard
being
me.
represented by the AG.
My lord has not heard me as yet.
I will hear you. Let the report come.
Milord, please hear me whether your lordship will call for this report or not. At least please record my submission that any further order today will make the appeal infructuous. Please record
Please
that at
record
least.
The fact that an appeal has been preferred from the order passed by this bench on 17th December 2025 has been brought to the notice of the court. Stop paragraph. The same is pending consideration before the Honorable Division Bench. Stop. Only for the purpose of arriving at a proper adjudication to the dispute that has cropped up, comma, the order for production of the inventory report is being passed today. Stop.
May I kindly record this that I made this submission that any further order will make my appeal infructuous. Please record this.
It has been submitted by the Learned Advocate General that any order passed today will render the appeal infructuous. Next.
But your lordship is fixing the matter, my lord, when?
Tomorrow. It is there in the
Kindly
list.
fix it after the vacation. What
In
is the
that case,
urgency
I'll
in this
pass
matter?
an interim order. It is only for this reason that the court wanted to hear you.
With respect,
This is not fair.
This
is
is also not
absolutely
fair.
unfair.
This is
Yes,
absolutely unfair to the state also, my lord. This is
72,
unfair
who's
to the
there?
state.
72.
But your lordship will kindly release this matter. Kindly release this matter.
We have submitted the inventory report, supplied the inventory report earlier on.
You have supplied the inventory report?
Them already.
Which one?
My lordship, I appeared through a virtual. My lordship, my father is
Lordship,
the
wait,
petitioner number 1.
Wait, AG is moving this matter. That is why I'm.
Then the AG is not aware of all facts. If the report
Lordship,
is already with the petitioner, then there is no difficulty to share it with the court.
Kindly allow me 1 minute time, Lordship. I will print it out.
Please bring. All right.
Pass it over.
Yes, yes. Please bring. 72. Who's here on the
Item
side?
number 72 and 73, my lord, may I be permitted to intervene because one of the orders of demolition was passed against me. And my lord, we have not been made parties, we have not been served with the orders, my lord. And my lord, we have already taken steps for preparing an appeal from that order, my lord, directing demolition. So we have not been made parties, we have not been served with the orders.
I cannot hear you, sir.
My lord, the property sought to be demolished is my property.
All right.
My lord, we were parties in the earlier writ petition. We have already taken steps for preparing an appeal from such order. And my lord, in this writ petition, we have not been made parties, we have not been served with anything, my lord. And with the